In this video, we will create the Sharon database. But firstly, what is the Sharon database? So Sharon database is created and deleted automatically each time you run a development-focused command and is primarily used to detect problems such as schema drift. But inside in the Prisma documentation, as you can see here, let me show you all of you here. Here says, if you use a cloud-hosted database for development, you need to create the Sharon database manually. So this is the thing that we need to do here right now. So we have to create a Sharon database. To create a Sharon database is pretty easier. It's the same steps that we did in the last video. So inside in the database server, we need to click in this create database button again. We have to include a database name. In this case, I highly recommend all of you here to include the same name but using Sharon database. So again, choose the development, configure database, choose the option for basic for less demand workloads, apply, let as a locally redundant backup storage, networking, add current client IP address as yes option. Let's go to the next security tab here. Nothing to change here. In additional settings, nothing to change here also. So let's click in the review plus create button and again in the create button. So again, we can see the message, your deployment is complete. So let's go to resource. And again, if we go to the overview, we can see the dashboard here. Again, we can see also the query editor preview as well. But again, let's go back to let's type here the Azure SQL option here in the search tab. Again, let's go to the Azure SQL 01-Prisma-Server. Now in the settings inside in the settings option here, we can click in the SQL databases. Now we can see two databases here. So right now we can see the Azure SQL 01-Prisma-database, Azure SQL 01 Prisma Sharon database. So all of these two databases we are going to include in our .env file. So now Alex Rouhani will show to all of us here what do we have to do to initialize and modeling our data on Prisma. So see you in the next video.